Are you trying to decide between Garmin Connect and Apple Fitness? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for tracking their workouts and health. In this video, we'll compare Garmin Connect and Apple Fitness, two popular fitness apps. Both offer great features to help you stay active and healthy. Garmin Connect is designed for Garmin device users. It tracks your workouts, sleep, and nutrition. It gives you detailed stats and allows you to join challenges with friends. It's great for runners and cyclists who want to analyze their performance. On the other hand, Apple Fitness is part of the Apple ecosystem. It works seamlessly with Apple Watch and other devices. It offers workout videos, guided meditations, and activity tracking. It's perfect for those who want a variety of workouts and motivation from trainers. Now, let's look at the key differences. Garmin Connect focuses more on detailed analytics for serious athletes. Apple Fitness emphasizes a wide range of workouts and an engaging community. When it comes to features, Garmin Connect has advanced metrics like VO2 max and recovery time. Apple Fitness offers workout classes, including yoga and dance, which can be more fun for casual users. In terms of pricing, Garmin Connect is free with any Garmin device. Apple Fitness usually requires a subscription, but it often comes free with new Apple devices for a limited time. So, which one should you choose? If you're an athlete looking for detailed stats, go with Garmin Connect. If you want a fun, varied workout experience and own Apple devices, Apple Fitness might be the better fit. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which app you prefer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.